Hey guys, very good evening to all of you. So in today's video I'm going to share my research about how to buy a car in Canada. I have consulted too many people before buying my car, and you guys can see that's my car over there. And I have consulted a lot of people that how to buy a car, what all things that you need to see, what all things that you need to check before buying the car. So in this video I'll be covering all these points, and guys, try watching this video till the end if you are planning to buy a car in Ottawa and in Canada. So these things will apply all over Canada. So try watching this video till the end. This video will be a really informative video for all of you. So without any delays, let's get started with the video, guys. Guys, the first thing first, before buying a car, once you have selected the model, you contacted the dealer or the person who owns that car, you need to ask them for the VIN number. VIN number is something that you will find on the windshield of the car or on the documents of the car. So once you will have the VIN number, you need to take out the Carfax report. So what happens in a Carfax report? So every time any damage, any repair or any service is done in Canada of your car, that Carfax report covers all of it. Carfax report is of around $45, I think. I am not sure of, but I will tag it on my video. But yeah, so once you have the Carfax report, you will exactly know how much kilometers that car has been driven for, and how many times it has been serviced. Has it been in any kind of accidents or something? Because if your car was involved in any kind of accidents, your insurance will rise. So one thing I would always suggest all of you, if your car was damaged or had an accident or something, never go for that car, because you will be paying higher insurance that will almost increase the amount of the car overall and for the time period you will be driving it. So no matter how good that car is, don't take it if it has any kind of accidents on it. So once you have seen everything, once you have the Carfax report, then you need to get the insurance for the car. So for me, I had to get it before even buying the car, because I was going to get the car from Quebec, and it's a different process. I will have to make a different video altogether for that process, because I had to pay taxes twice, once in Quebec and once after coming to Ottawa, because they gave me a temporary number, temporary registration for Quebec, and that is valid for around 48 hours. And then I have to get my car registered in Ottawa. So I had to pay taxes in Ottawa as well. But I will apply for a refund later on, and it's another process altogether. But anyways, once you have the Carfax report, once you have checked everything, so for checking a car, what you need to see, you need to see for any physical damage first. So here, and as you can see, there is no physical damage or something, but there are some places that you can see for physical damage, like the lining of the windows. You can open it once and just see here if there is a bend or something. You can see the bumper, under the bumper, is there a bend or anything. Plus you need to check for rust. So as you can see, you can't find any rust, because they have done some kind of treatments over here, but there was some damage previously over here at this part. So as you can see, like, there is no damage over here. But if you go closely, see, you can see that they have done a makeshift paint kind of thing. So these are the things that you need to be careful about, the things that you need to check before buying the car. So physically, once you have checked, you should definitely check for the lights and the indicators. Wait, so you must definitely check for the lights and the indicator, that are they working or not. You must see the tail light, are they working or not. You must start the engine, rev it, go drive it for a bit, and all these things then only you will realize, like, you know, how good your car is. And the next point that you need to remember, like, the taxes over here are pretty high. So the lower amount you will pay for your car, the less the tax you will be paying. So if you are buying a car for around $15,000, you will be paying 10% or 15% of taxes on it. So that's a huge amount to pay, guys. So try buying a car, your first car, at least of some lower amount, or negotiate a deal with the owner of that car to give you the car for a lower price. I hope you're getting it. So all these things are checked. Then you will pay the owner the amount of the car. Then you have the paper. Once you have the paper, you have to go physically to Service Ontario with the owner of the car and get the car transferred to you. Or if the owner can't come and you are buying the car in Ontario itself, so what you have to do is, on your car document, there will be a owner's waiver, like where it will be mentioned, like, I am selling this car to this person and I am providing the ownership of this car to this person. So your name will be written, the cost of the car will be written, like how much price you have paid for the car, and that document you will show to the Service Ontario. It will be great, like, if the client or the owner of the car can come with you and get the transfer done. So once it is transferred, then that car is officially yours. But before the transferring of the car, you need to get the insurance. So once everything is finalized, once you're going to pay the amount to the owner, before that you have to take out the insurance for your car. So you can go to reputed sites. I have taken it out from TD Bank. It was fairly reasonable, not very high, not very low, because always go for a branded company, because there are a lot of loopholes in car insurance coverage. So I have went for a third party insurance. That means it covers only the damages caused by a third party, or me causing a damage to a third party, not my own damage. So that is something you should know. Because of that, my insurance cost was lower, or else my cost would have come around $190 to $200, and it would be too much for me. So in future, definitely I will never go for third party insurance. It's not safe. You are not protected. But for now, if you want to lower your insurance cost, you can go with a third party insurance. And I think so, once the insurance is done, once the paper transfer is done, and all these things are done, you are good to go. After that, you have to do one more thing, that is your road safety. If your car is 10 years older, like probably like 2012, like how I had, you need to get a safety certification done from a certified garage owner. So once that safety is done, safety will take around $100 or $90, probably, depending on the mechanic who is checking your car. He will take $100 or $90 from you. He will get you a safety certificate also. Sorry, I forgot this, but this is something that you need with the insurance to get your car registered and transferred the ownership on your name. So all these are the documents, and all these are the processes that you need to do before buying a car, and you need to know about all these things. Always look for Rust, always look for the Carfax. Carfax is very, very important before buying a car. If you are spending $40, it's worth every penny of it. So keep this in mind, and if you have any kinds of doubts or any queries, go ahead, mention it in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve them. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye bye.